I'm Jerry Stewart, and I've explained in another video the use of some special techniques on this auto harp to establish some special ways to do minor chords and other chords by pressing two chord bars at once. To demonstrate that, let's just try something here that uses some minor chords, and it's called the Anniversary Waltz. And just to show you the chords, we'll start on an A7th chord. Oh, how we danced on the night we were wed, we vowed our true love, though a word was not said. So you can see how that works, holding down the F6 chord and take away the C chord to make that D minor chord, and then up here the G minor chord, and paired with the A7th. Now we could add like a D7th in there just as a feeling. Oh, how we danced on the night we were wed, we vowed our true love, though a word was not said. Then the next part of the song goes on to sort of the major chord for which the D minor chord is the relative minor. So the next phrase then goes, oh, na, 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 na. Angels were playing and strumming guitar and beating their drums and murmuring low, my darling, I love you so. So there we had the beginning and sort of a minor key, and then it goes into the key of F for a little bit and then transitions back. So we've used A7th, D7th, D minor, G minor, and then a B flat 6 chord, an F6 chord, sounds kind of dreamy, and a C7th, and then I got close. So that's a little quick demo on that part of it. Now there's a song called Texas Blues. I can throw this a little bit of this. This is a place where we use the B7th chord to transition to a G7th chord, and it's right at the end of a phrase. It's sort of like, I'm heading back, I got the Texas blues, I'm heading back, I got the Texas blues. The end of blues song on the 7th chord. So I use the C major or the C6, and then use this B7th chord to make this transition down to G7th. Now some people would say you use an A flat chord, which is half step above the G, come down to G. That might work, but I discovered that the B7th into the G7th worked. Okay, so that's about it. There are some songs for which you play like an A7th D minor as a fill at the end of the phrase, like I think I'm gonna sit down and write myself. Now we need a dreamy chord for right there. Ladder. So the C minor 7th works for the word ladder, and so on and so forth. And then at the, kind of the end of the phrase, we play an A7th, G minor, just as a fill-in. A7th, G minor. So I'm gonna write words so sweet, they're gonna knock me off of my feet. Kisses at the bottom, I'll be glad I got them. Give gonna cry and say, I hope you're feeling better. And close with the words of the way let's see, way I do. I'm gonna sit right down and rock myself a love. We could go. Let's see what I want. F, B, what comes after B? B flat. So we use C, B seventh, B flat, down to the A. And make believe it came from you. That's long enough video for now with sort of the jazz set up on a harp. Thank you.